All right, hey there. I had a problem with a flex shaft tool here. It spins. As soon as you put any load on it, it stops. So what's happened here is the cable. Zoom in so you can see this thing here. If you notice here, this piece here, the pilot is where it mounts onto the shaft. If you look at the cable here, the cable where it's crimped in this piece of aluminum, it's just spinning there. So I've already tried crimping it back, and it's loose in there. It ain't gonna hold no more. So I got a couple of new cables to put in there. So using your little Allen wrench, you need to loosen this set screw here, and it'll come right off. And then we're going to pull the cable out. This particular cable for this one is 37 inches long, so you'll need to know the length of it. Now, usually what happens is it'll either wear off this end here, which this one's fine, or it'll bend the cable in the housing. And I have fixed them before, but they don't last very long once they start rotating. I've actually taken them and heated them up and run solder down in there. But if you put too much of a load on them with these flex shafts, it'll end up spinning the cable. So I'm gonna bought 2 replacements. This generic tool only came with 1 cable. Now, before I put this back in here, I'm going to go ahead and grease this really well. And make sure this shaft end fits first, because these are just generic cables. It fits. You grab some grease. And you're going to want to, I guess, depending on how much you use this thing, you're going to want to grease the cable on a fairly regular basis. Hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. That was yesterday. I just had leftovers already this morning. And grease on here, and we'll get going again. I had ordered these, and they were supposed to be here Wednesday, but actually didn't end up shipping them until Wednesday night. But oh well, put me off a day. That ought to be enough grease in there. It didn't come with any grease on the cable at all. Yeah, that's it. Now, when you're doing this, when you go to take this off here, when you take the cable off of the tool here, it's a left-handed thread. So don't be trying to think you're loosening it and you're using pliers to, it's just a little housing there. It's easy to break. So just remember the left-hand threads. So to take it off, you're going to turn it clockwise. And that just has to do with the way, because of the way the tool spins, the direction the tool spins. See it there? Let's try it now. Cover my grease back up. Okay, it works now. Be good for a little while on that thing. Got our extra cable, and that's about it for our old Fordham tool. Really, it's just a Flexshaft Rotary tool, and that's it. Hope everybody has a good weekend, good long weekend, and thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for comments. Everybody take care. Thank you.